This wig came from Luvmehair, so I'm just going to do a little quick unboxing. So when you take off the lid, it comes with this really cute paper with a note. This is what the wig comes in. It comes packaged really nicely. They give you a dust bag for the wig that has their brand name on it. It comes with this really cute card and a personalized letter here. I don't know if everybody gets this card. I think this is just for people doing the hair review, but this is the letter that they sent me. And then also in the box is, in there, it was like wig tape. This is a stocking cap and a hairband and another a brush and then a hair care card. So yeah, this is everything that came in the box. So let's go ahead and look at the wig. This is the actual hair itself. So this is their 4C Edges Kinky Straight 5x5 lace closure with HD lace glueless wig. I know that's a lot, but this is what the edges look like on the closure. So as you can see, it's kinky and it looks very, very natural, like my natural hair texture. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. So it comes constructed with two combs at the sides. It has this comb in the middle and the back here, and then it also comes with an elastic band that's attached to the wig. And then it also comes, this is that comb in the back, and then it comes with a comb at the bottom, as well as these two elastic bands on the sides for extra security. So overall, the wig is constructed really, really well. It's very secure and sturdy, and also very, very thick. So let's go ahead and get into styling the video. So my hair is already in braids. So I'm just going to take some lace tint and I'm going to spray the inside of the closure. I did bleach the knots before this, so that's why it looks a little brown. But I'm just going in with the lace tint because the lace tint is actually darker than the bleach. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and slide the wig on my head and get it adjusted so that it fits properly on my head. So once I got it fitting and everything looks good, I'm just checking out the wig. I wanted to give it a little shake because it is glueless, and as you can see, it is still very, very sturdy. So yeah, now I'm just gonna take my tweezers and I'm plucking the hairline because I kind of forgot to do this before I started installing the wig, and I also wanted to show what it looks like when I pluck it. Now, even though it does have the 4C edges, I wanted to pluck it just a little bit so it would look a little more natural. Like, my natural edges aren't that thick, so I just wanted to pluck the hairline just a little bit. Now I'm just taking my baby scissors and cutting off the extra lace. What I did is I took my comb first and I brushed back the edges so that I can see the lace. So now I'm just cutting off the lace, and then I'm also taking my little razor here and cutting through the lace because it cut a lot easier with my razor. But yeah, cutting off this lace was super simple. It was only a 5x5 closure, so it really didn't take that much effort. And then also, once you get all the lace off, it already lays like pretty naturally. You really don't have to do too much to it. Just make sure to get all of the lace off so you can't see any on the sides. But if you can, I like to use like a little marker to cover it up. So now what I'm doing is just combing down the edges. So I initially thought that I was going to lay down the edges with gel and do the whole typical baby hair thing, but I decided not to do that. I decided I wanted to keep the wig in its natural edges, just to, you know, do something different and wear it how it's meant to be worn. So it's meant to be worn in the natural edges state. So what I'm doing is I just use the gel to kind of like moisturize the curls or the little edges in the front, just to, you know, add some texture to it. And then I'm actually going to take my wig band and lay the edges down, just how it is here. And really I just did this so that I can get my edges out of the way and so that the wig would stay sturdy while I'm flat ironing it. So now I'm going to go and flat iron the hair, but I just wanted you to see what the hair looks like when it's all down. It is super, super thick and very, very full. I'm not sure of the density offhand, but I'll make sure to have that information in the description box below for you all. But yeah, this wig is very thick. So because it's so thick, I'm going to work with this hair in sections to make it easier to flat iron so that I can get through it all peacefully. And also it makes flat ironing the hair super easy. So I'm just going to brush through it first with my paddle brush. And then I'm using my Bio Silk on this hair, in a good amount too, because the hair is super thick. So I'm just going to run the Bio Silk through my hair, and then I'm going to take my brush and brush through it again just to evenly distribute the product. And then I'm going to go in with my flat iron to flat iron the hair. So the flat iron that I'm using is this like 2-inch wide flat iron, and I literally got this flat iron specifically for kinky straight hair, because I've done quite a few kinky straight hair videos in the past, and a 1-inch flat iron ain't enough. Like, it is, but it takes so long to flat iron with like a 1-inch. So I really got this 2-inch specifically for this hair, and I'm glad I did, and it came out beautifully. So I'm using like the chase method and doing like small sections to flat iron the hair. All right, and so this is the last little section on this side that I had to get done. Even though I took my time, I wasn't really too pressed about getting the hair super silky, even though it is still relatively straight. So this is what each side looks like. You can see the left side over there is the side that wasn't flat ironed, and the right side is the side that was. And it's definitely flatter, but you can still see the texture, which is what I like. That's the whole point of kinky hair, honestly, is to see the texture and have it look more natural. So I've finished flat ironing both sides of my hair, and so now I'm going to go and flatten the top of the hair with my hot comb. So I'm just going to use my wax stick and my Got To Be Free spray and part the hair in small sections and just flatten the top with the hot comb just so it can lay a little bit flatter. I like to do this honestly just to polish off the look. You absolutely don't have to do this. It's just a personal preference for me. And again, especially since this is kinky straight hair, I don't like my hair to be like too poofy at the top. I like it to lay a little bit flatter at the top. Also, as you can see, I took off the edge band, and don't worry, I'm going to fix my edges a little bit. I'm not going to leave them like that. And that is it for this install, y'all. So it's very simple, and it looks super natural. I really love how these 4C edges, because it looks very natural. It looks like it's growing from my head, honestly, and especially since I'm wearing it glueless, it really protects my natural hair. And it's different. Like, you know, I always do baby hairs and like swoop down, gelled down, you know, glued down baby hairs. So it's definitely different to do something, or it's nice to do something different, honestly. Stepping outside of my comfort zone. I was worried a little bit, but honestly, it looks fine. It looks like I woke up and chose to wear my real hair. And I like that it's glueless again because it protects my natural hair. And it's honestly super simple to do. Like, you don't have to put in the extra work to gel down your baby hairs or none of that. Honestly, you just cut the lace, put it on, maybe flat iron it, and go. Very low maintenance, so I don't have, you know, to worry about all of that. Like, look how natural it looks. You can see it just looks like my real hair, like it's growing out the scalp. So I really love this wig. This is definitely going to be one of my new go-tos and one of my favorites, especially since it's glueless. You really can just slide it on and go. But yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Adios till next time.